Hi y'all, it's Neva, and welcome back to day 3 of 100 Days of Halloween. So yesterday we watched The Bride of Chucky. I love that movie. I love Jennifer Tilly. She's freaking hilarious to me. So if you've never watched it, he's really mutilated from past movies, of course. And Jennifer Tilly is his old girlfriend when he was alive, and she puts his doll, the doll, back together as good as she can, and then she brings him to life, and then all kinds of heck breaks loose. So yeah, I got to watch it with LJ yesterday because he happened to be awake, and I was like, let's watch a movie together. Middle of the day for a horror movie, not as cool. This one tonight's I'll probably watch tonight, because it looks like it might be kind of scary, and I like it better at night when it's scary. So what is tonight's movie? Tonight's movie is Conjuring the Devil, and I picked it because of the picture on it. That the nun looks really scary. I'd like to mention that a few channels are joining in with hashtag 100 Days of Halloween 2024, and that is Heather from the Crochet Witch, Ella from No Catchy Name, and Cindy from Pups and Crochet. If I forgot anybody, if you're joining in and you have a channel, please let me know. And, you can join in whenever you want to. And, yeah. And then if you're not and you're making stuff, let me know what you're making and what you're working on, and if you're watching the movies. So, I decided I'm making the blanket. I'm just going to see what size it ends up being in the 4-weight. I really like how the colors are working up, so I'm glad that I decided to. And this is the center. So I made the center. Tomorrow will be an amigurumi that I show. And I hope you guys are going to have a wonderful day and stay spooky, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah.